Hey guys, it's Brandon here, and we're in the woods. It's really nice out. Sky's so kind of blue, kind of, and we're just around here in the beautiful area. I wanted to say that I have fun making videos of adventures and stuff, and how it really is truly amazing, and I just wanted to chill, for a sec, have a chill video, and yeah, so far it's so peaceful. You hear the birds chirp and tweet, not Twitter. And then it's supposed to be a joke. But anyways, yeah, so green and blush. Well, I wouldn't say blush, but not really flora as well, but still a beauty of it, all kinds of ways and stuff, and still little flowers. So cool. It is so peaceful out here. So amazing. I love the woods and forests and nature itself. I admire it. So cool. So, I'll be making more adventures, stories and stuff to tell. But for now, this is a story to keep because it's so beautiful. Amazing. I gotta say, it's so free out here. It's amazing. I feel like just getting a paintbrush and just paint the whole view of it 360 or something. If I had my paintbrush, I don't, or a piece of paper. So wonderful. God. Well, anyways, this was my little video of chillax and peace. And I gotta say, I gotta go, so I'll see y'all next time. Peace.